Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make espresso coffee at your campsite. I love camping and I love coffee. In fact, I'm Hungarian, so for me it has to be strong espresso coffee. I love waking up in a tent and then just kick back and listen to the sounds of nature and have my favorite drink in my hand. That is just pure heaven. So let's go take a look and see how you can make this happen. This is called a percolator, and you can still find these on Amazon or eBay. This is great because pretty much all the parts are metal, so you can use it on a stove or in a fire. And I'm going to show you how to use this. I've had this for about 18 years and it still works great. So what you need is this coffee maker, espresso ground coffee, and water. And of course a camp stove, or you could actually do this over your campfire. Now, what a lot of people don't know is that espresso coffee is so strong because the water is forced up on the tap, and it's basically the steam from the water being boiled, and then it pushes itself through the coffee, and that makes it strong. Regular coffee, only thing happens is the water just drips through the coffee grind, and that's it. Nothing really happens. So your first step, you pour some water and you basically fill it up pretty much to the end. Then you put this in here and you fill that with coffee. And because I like strong coffee, I like to really just pack it and make it as tight as possible with as much coffee as I can put in there. Then you put this on top. Now you need to make sure that you do have this rubber gasket. Make sure you don't lose it. If you don't have it, it will be a huge mess. So you simply screw this on tightly. And then you wait until coffee is made. The water will go through the coffee and will end up coming out from the tap, and this will be filled with delicious espresso coffee. I'm giving away this Hungarian percolator. This is actually a product of Hungary, which is where I am right now. And actually this is the view from my 7th floor apartment where I grew up in. So I'm just gonna show you real quick. This is a city called Nyíregyháza. So this percolator is almost the same product as the one in the video. It just looks a little bit different, but it works the same way. It's a little bit smaller, as you could see. It's smaller than my hand, but it's just as great. Same exact thing. You take it apart and then you put the coffee here. Hang on. And the water goes there. The steam will come out here. And to win this, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and then comment on this video. When I reach 500 subscribers, then I will randomly choose a winner and they will be contacted. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and you can make delicious espresso coffee with this, whether you're at home or you're at your campsite. And this is how you make delicious espresso coffee at your campsite. Make sure you try it out, and thank you for watching.